Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bert Dohmen. It's March 8th, 2016, and this is Chart Predictor. It's the Russell 3000 index, and this is the ETF of that. There are 3,000 stocks, so it's about 6 times broader than the S&P 500 index, and of course much broader than the Dow Jones Industrials, and therefore much more relevant. So we look at these broad indices because they are so much more relevant. You can see here going back to 2014, every time it hit this level here, it bounced back up, right? So this was a good support level. And here it broke through. This was August 24th. It broke through here, and that was the crash we had on that day. It was the Dow was down in the first 30 minutes about 1,089 points. It was huge. People have already forgotten that. And then, of course, we had the rebound. And here it broke through, came back, again found support right there at that line, went up here, chopped around late last year, and then briefly got back to that level, and then bounced up again. So this is an important level. And then it broke through, and of course in January we had this market plunge in January. We had a nice double bottom, and we had a good rally from that. Now here, look at again. The rally just got up to this level last Monday and last Friday. And today it started going down. So we have to now consider that this might be the formation of a rally top. Our position has been that this whole rally here has been a bear market rally, and if we're right, then there's some interesting opportunities coming up for the bears. And we have always made good money in bear markets with our valued subscribers, and this should be no exception. So we've been doing this for about 39 years now. And when you do something for 39 years, you're bound to get better and better at it. And so we've caught every bear market in that time, which is very fortunate for our subscribers and for us, of course. And that's how we have the most long-term subscribership in the business. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you want to look for now. Usually you have a retest of that resistance level. This was support on the way down, and what was support becomes resistance on the way up. Okay, so unless there's just an overwhelming amount of selling, we should have a little try to get back above that again. Try, I said, and when that fails, because the sellers are coming in, then you can really get something very exciting. Thank you very much for being with us today, and come back again. Sorry that it has taken so long to get another one up, but when the markets are really active, we get very busy making money in our own trading. Thank you very much.